Hello students, welcome to Eganeet. In today's video, we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 12.1 class 8. Let us see the question. It is to simplify the expression which is 25 into t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8. Now we have to solve this problem using the laws of exponents. As you can see, in this expression, 25 and 10 are the terms which are not expressed as powers. So first we need to express them as powers. Yes, for this let me give you a hint, which is how can we write 25 and 10 as a product of prime factors? We have to express 25 and 10 as the product of prime factors. So 25 can be written as 5 square and 10, absolutely correct, 10 can be written as 5 into 2. Now just pause the video and try to solve using the given hint. Let us solve. 25 can be written as 5 square into t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 can be written as 5 into 2 into t to the power minus 8. Now, if you observe in the denominator, we have these terms. We are multiplying the powers having the same base. Here the base is 5 and we know the law related to it. Yes, it is a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. That means we have to add up the exponents. So let's do. Numerator will be as it is, 5 square into t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 and we have to add 1, minus 3 plus 1 into 2 into t to the power minus 8. Now we can simplify this term. So let's simplify. 5 square into t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 into 2 into t to the power minus 8. Now just think which law can be applied here to simplify it further. Yes, we have the law which divides the powers having the same base. That is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. That means the exponents are subtracted when we are dividing, which means it will be equal to 5 to the power 2 minus of this minus 2 into t to the power minus 4 minus of minus 8 divided by 2 as it is. Now if we simplify this further, we will get 5 to the power 2 minus of minus 2 is 2 plus 2, which is 4 into t to the power minus 4 minus of minus 8 is minus 4 plus 8, which is again 4 divided by 2. Now how much is 5 to the power 4? Which is 5 multiplied to 5 how many times? 4 times. That means it is equals to 625. And we will write this 2 as it is in the denominator and t to the power 4 as it is. Now this is our final answer. I hope you have understood this question very well. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website, which is www.eganeet.com, or you can download our app from Play Store. Thank you.